We partner with Unearthed to bring a challenge around operator efficiency and how we can use real-time data to provide that feedback to the operators and help improve the overall efficiency, productivity, and safety of the mine site. It's a huge impact. We have global customers that are operating in mine sites all around Caterpillar, and not only on surface mining, but also underground mining. So the solutions that will be developed as part of the hackathon, we can extend it to other platforms, not only in the mining sector, but also across our industry verticals. So
we believe that this is a huge capital gain for everybody, the customer, the operators, and for us as a manufacturer to learn from this data and these unique perspectives that these participants have.
I'm Eric Shea, I'm a data scientist and an ecologist.
I'm Paulo Arantes, I'm a data scientist and a business degree.
And I'm Jeremy Veal, and I'm a software engineer and a business degree.
We're going to simplify a very complex problem into a very simple solution. We're going to two parts. One is, how do we have these inexperienced or young drivers, and how do we make it real-life training for them? And how do we simplify that part of training? So one thing we don't want to do is give them all these unnecessary information when they're driving. So eventually what we build is a real-time feedback just using a machine learning algorithm, given all these sensors going with the machine, and simplify down to 5 seconds with one single probability.
We also created an algorithm that takes in consideration everything that happens during one house cycle, and we calculate a final score. And this final score can rank himself if he's doing better or worse than his own average, and also compare him against all the other operators. And we generate a final report for the management people so they can see who's improving, who's not, and they can probably put some bonuses or some other incentives with those scores.
It was really exciting to see these teams come together, and with no mining knowledge, ended up, coming up with some really good solutions. Data is an important piece and a piece that we need more insights to, but putting it together with operational experience, I think will be the best of both worlds. Roberto and I, work closely together. When he was telling me about this event, I was kind of, amazed by, the dedication. I'm like, who's going to show up? But obviously we had a great turnout, and I think some really good solutions. The Caterpillar Ventures is here in San Francisco because that's where the money is. But innovation happens everywhere in the world. Australia, Boston, Austin, San Francisco, even in the Midwest. Obviously lots of places in Europe. And having these events, be more global, it's a great benefit to us, and we certainly appreciate Unearthed, for putting on these events.